Happy weekend, guys. A very exciting day for me. I have people coming over for drinks. Yay! I'm going to sit in the rainy garden. It's going to be great. What better way to get a party started than a Pornstar Martini? I have an idea, a Mango Pornstar Martini. This is a cocktail that I came up with a while back because I don't particularly like Pornstar Martinis that much. Shock, I know everyone loves them. I'm not a massive fan of the passion fruit puree, to be perfectly honest, so I changed it for mango puree, and I personally think it's a lot better. I love it. I still use the passion fruit liqueur, the Passoa, in there. So it does still have a little bit of passion fruit, and then obviously you can't do a Pornstar Martini without the passion fruit on top as well, so I do have that, but this is just a bit of a fresher version and I much prefer it, so I'm going to share it with you guys today. We're going to use in this cocktail some vanilla vodka, some Passoa, which is passion fruit liqueur, some lime juice, some vanilla syrup, my mango pulp or puree. You can buy it in this can here, or you can just do it yourself at home by blitzing up some either frozen or fresh mango and a bit of sugar. I think it's the same thing. And then our prosecco shooter on the side. So let's get going with this video. We're going to start with 60 ml of the vanilla vodka. So 60 ml goes in here. I think I've mentioned this before, but I love vanilla vodka. I just do. I use it in so many cocktails. I think it's great. So 60 ml goes in here. Then we're going to do 25 ml of the passion fruit liqueur, which has a beautiful smell and a really pretty colour as well. So 25 ml in the middle. Then I'm going to do 20 ml of the mango puree. I probably should have put this in something different because I feel like this is going to go everywhere. It's very thick. It's very thick. Ah. Oh dear. Okay. Tastes nice. Okay, that's the mango. Lime juice I have already squeezed, and we're going to do 50 ml of lime juice. This is all absolutely covered in mango puree now. And lastly, 15 ml of the vanilla syrup, or you could just use sugar syrup, I suppose, if you just had that, but it should really be for Pornstar the vanilla. There we go. I hate stickiness everywhere. It's my head in. Okay, so that's the ingredients in the shaker. We're going to add the ice. Perfect, and then we're going to give this a really good shake. Okay. Oh, I hit myself in the face there. Done that a few times, shaking cocktails. Okay, that should be us. So, classic sort of martini glass, I think that's what it's called, for my Mango Pornstar Martini. And I'm going to grab a strainer just to double strain this, just because the mango pulp was a little bit thick, and then the lime juice might have little lime bits in it as well. So strain into here. How gorgeous is that colour? I feel like I say that every single video that I make, but there is something about that colour that's pretty special. Okay, so to go with our martini, obviously we need a little, or quite a big in this case, shot of prosecco. Now, the first time I ever had a Pornstar Martini, it was in a bar in London many moons ago, and I remember the bartender saying to me, because I was like, oh, what do you do with this? And he was like, do not pour it in the drink. That's not how it's meant to be done. You're meant to drink it first, the prosecco or champagne shot, and then have the drink. So I've always remembered that, and I've never ever done it because he told me not to. But I know some people do add it in, so it's completely up to yourselves. It's personal preference. But either way, a little shot of prosecco or champagne on the side. There we go. And then the passion fruit on the top. Ta-da! There we go, pretty simple. Everyone loves a Pornstar, and this is my take on it with using the mango instead of the passion fruit. I hope that you all enjoyed this video this week, and please join me next time on Burrow Home Bar. I don't know what I was doing there, but I will be making more Burrow originals. In the meantime, please like, comment and subscribe, and happy cocktailing. Cheers!